For me, it's just a start for a lifetime journey, or even longer, who knows. So that's why I feel very privileged to be able to do this with other people who are so dedicated and who really have the courage to look at themselves. That's why I really love the teachings and the teachers. The mantras speak to me. I love that connection of music and yoga and meditation. It's all the same for me. And I also teach Hatha yoga, and I come from this also tradition. And for me, it's just yoga is just about connection, and so that's why I love to bring all this together. To someone who is not decided if to do a training or not, I would say listen to your heart. If it speaks to you, if you feel like, yeah, I've got to do this for myself, for maybe for teaching, but it's not necessary. You can do it for yourself. Just if you want to go deeper to yourself, to get to know yourself better, and therefore to be able to have real connections with other people too, then just go for it. Machine Academy is one big, beautiful and very, very colorful family in many different ways. Like so many nations, so many ages, and just really, really a creative bunch of people.